Hey there, welcome to Fresh. I'm Sarah and this is
Mia.
And today we're going to be making
The chicken.
Dijon chicken. Up first, we have our Dijon mustard mix that we can put onto anything, and I mean anything. It's delicious. So we have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Go ahead and mix that together. Then we are going to split it in half, and half we are going to brush on the raw meat, and the other half we are going to use for after it is cooked. So go ahead and thoroughly coat whatever your meat choice is with the Dijon mustard mixture, both sides. And then we are going to throw it. I prefer on the grill, but you can bake it or put it on your flat top as well. Now, since it's summer, I am going to be pairing this with a peach radish salad. A pro tip while cutting radishes, since they are so wiggly when you're chopping them, make a nice slice down one of those sides to make a flat surface for you to cut without chopping off your fingers. So I'm going to slice up about 10 radishes and put that in with the peaches that are already prepared. If you need to know how to prepare peaches, go ahead and click that link in the top right hand corner. To off that salad, we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then a 1/4 cup of either sliced almonds or crushed walnuts. Make sure you wipe off your hands with oil before you pick up a glass bowl. Go ahead and mix all of that together. And then we're going to add it to a bag of coleslaw mix. I just find it easier to do that. You could also just put it mixed with some arugula and spinach if you would like. Go ahead and let me know in the comments what your favorite summer side dish is.